Hey there, tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking to the skies as we unveil the top 5 best drones of 2024. From advanced features to stunning aerial capabilities, these drones are setting the standard for innovation and performance. Join us as we explore the ultimate flying machines that are revolutionizing the way we capture the world from above. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the DJI Mavic Air 3. With its compact design and impressive camera capabilities, this drone is perfect for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing 4K video at 60 fps and 48 MP photos, it's your ticket to capturing breathtaking aerial shots with ease. Plus, with intelligent flight modes like Active Track 5 No and obstacle avoidance technology, you can fly confidently and capture stunning footage without worrying about collisions. Next up, at number 4, we have the Autel Robotics EVO Nano. Designed for professionals and content creators, this drone boasts unparalleled stability and image quality. With its advanced 3-axis gimbal stabilization and 8K video recording capabilities, it's a powerhouse in the sky, delivering cinematic footage that will leave you in awe. Plus, with a flight time of up to 40 minutes and a range of up to 15 kilometers, you can explore the world from above like never before. Coming in at number 3 is the Skydio X2. Known for its endurance and versatility, this drone is built for long-range exploration and aerial mapping. With its extended flight time of up to 50 minutes and thermal imaging capabilities, it's the perfect tool for search and rescue missions, environmental monitoring, and more. Plus, with its rugged design and IP53 weather resistance rating, you can fly with confidence in any conditions. Moving on to number 2 on our list, we have the Sony Airpeak S1. This drone pushes the boundaries of aerial photography with its groundbreaking features and precision control. With its full-frame mirrorless camera compatibility and advanced autofocus and tracking capabilities, you can capture stunning landscapes or dynamic action shots with unparalleled clarity and detail. Plus, with intelligent flight modes like Smart Shot and Airpeak Flight Plus, you can achieve cinematic shots with ease. And finally, the drone topping our list as the best of 2024 is the DJI Phantom 5. With its revolutionary design and cutting-edge technology, this drone is in a league of its own. From its sleek aerodynamic frame to its intelligent flight systems and beyond, it's redefining what's possible in the world of drone technology. Plus, with a modular design that allows for easy upgrades and customization, it's the perfect drone for professional filmmakers and aerial photographers looking to push the boundaries of creativity. While these drones lead the pack in 2024, the world of aerial photography and videography is constantly evolving. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, an adventure seeker, or a hobbyist, there's never been a better time to take to the skies and capture the world from a whole new perspective. Thanks for joining us as we explored the top 5 best drones of 2024. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content and updates on the latest gadgets.